Classroom news. Reading is the key to education, and blend phonics is the key to reading. Yes. Okay, in this presentation, it's all about the hard C, which makes the K sound, k, 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 and the soft C, which makes the S sound, s, s, s. Good. Okay, when C come before an A-O-R-U, it will make the hard K sound of k, k, k. Okay? Good. CO equals KO. Okay? Also, in this video, you will see the schwa sound. In dictionary.com, up top there, you will see the schwa sound with the UH. Just look for the baby U, and you're going to know it's going to be the schwa sound, okay? The schwa sound is Dictionary.com, it's UH. On the bottom, American Heritage, it's going to be a E turned upside down, and it's going to be a U with the curve over the top, okay? The schwa sound can substitute for all the vowels, the A, E, I, O, and the U, okay? So just look for that also. Okay, good. Come. Ka. Come. 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 Ka. M. Come. E is silent. Okay, E is silent. Okay, you see that C made the K sound. K, k, k. And the O made the schwa sound. Come. And over there, the dog, he trying to take his friend home. He like, come on, let's go. We gotta go home. Come on, let's go. Come. Cold. K. Old. K. Old. Cold. Okay, K. Old. Cold. Okay, now you see the O. O make the long O sound. O, O, O. Okay, and over there, you see, here's some ice. Okay, and here's the man standing by the ice. You see, he's cold. He's like, oh, it's cold. It's cold. It's very, 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 very cold. It's cold. Cold ice. Cold. Coat. K. O. Cold. Alt. Cold. Alt. Coat. K. O. Alt. Coat. Okay, now over there, you see here's a mother horse and the little baby coat. See the little baby coat is on the mother horse neck? That's a baby coat. Good. Color. K. Ka. All. Call. Call. Color. K. All. Color. Blue color. A red color. And a yellow color. And a green color. A cookie. K. Cook. Cook. E. Cook. E. Cookie. K. K. E. Cookie. Oh, a pretty cookie. And a smiley face cookie. A chocolate chip and a smiley face cookie. And you need some milk. When you eat cookies, you need some milk. CU equals KU. You. Cute. C. You. Cute. 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 C. You. T. Cute. E is silent. A cute little kitty cat and a cute little puppy. And you notice the U now. The U says its name. Like the A say A, and the I say I, and the E say E, and the O say O. Well, the U here says you. C. U. Q. T. Cute. E is silent. Cub. C. Cub. 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 C. Schwa sound. B. Cub. A pretty little cute lion cub, and a pretty little bear cub. Cub. And notice the U right here. This U here make the schwa sound. Good. A cup. C. Cup. 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 K. Schwa sound. P. Cup. A blue cup. A purple cup. A red cup. A yellow cup. And a black cup. Cup. Curl. C. Cur. Oh. Cur. Oh. Curl. C. Oh. Curl. Okay, now we got curls that you can put curls in your hair. And we got curly fries. And you need some ketchup. Yeah, you need some ketchup with the curly fries. Curl fries. Good. Curve. C. Curve. 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 C. E is silent. Curve. Okay, now this is a straight train track. It's straight. And this is a curved train track. You see? It's curved. Straight train track, the first one, and a curved train track, this one. Curve. CA equals KA. Cave. C. A. Cave. 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 C. A. V. E is silent. It makes no sound. Cave. Okay, now here's a cave, and the mother bear and the baby bear lives in this cave. That's their home. Okay? Cake. C. A. Cake. 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 C. A. K. E is silent. It makes no sound. Cake. Okay? Here's a beautiful cake right there. And here's another cake right here. Two cakes. Cake. Good. Candy. C. A. Can. Can. D. E. D. Can. D. Candy. C. A. N. D. E. Candy. Okay, here's some corn candy. And here's some sweet candy up there. And here is some peppermint candy. 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 Card. C. R. Card. 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 C. R. D. Card. Okay, now here's a birthday card. And here is some playing cards. And here is your report card. You did real good. You did good. You did an A in English, a B in history, a A minus in science, and an A plus in math, and a B in art. Well, wait a minute. A F in gym. You failed gym? Wait a minute. All you got to do in a gym class is move your legs and clap your hands or shake your head or shoot some basketball, throw a baseball. How did you fail gym class? Okay, you got to exercise, exercise, exercise. Okay, good. Catch, c, a, catch, 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 c, a, ch. T is silent. It makes no sound. Okay, we're gonna catch the baseball. Catch. And here's some ketchup and some French fries. Ketchup and French fries. Catch. Okay. See how that T is silent? That T makes no sound. Okay. Good. Okay. When C comes before E, I, or Y, it will make the soft S sound. S, s, s. Good. CE becomes SE. Rice. I, rice, rice, rice. I, s. E is silent. Rice. Okay, now here's a bag of rice. Okay, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna cook a bowl of white rice, and then we're gonna cook some yellow rice. Good. Rice. Good. Space. Sp. A. Space. 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 Sp. A. S. E is silent. Space. Okay. Here's the space shuttle. It's going up into space to drop off some blend phonics. Yes. Okay. See, when it get up into space, it open up its doors and it dropped it blend phonics off all over the world. Blend phonics. Space shuttle. Yes. Good. Ice. I. S. I. S. Ice. I. S. E is silent. Ice. Okay. Here is a tray of ice. Okay. And here is ice that has been taken out of the tray. Ice. Cold ice. Cereal. S. Ear. Sear. E. E. All. All. Sear. E. All. Cereal. S. Ear. E. Oh, cereal. Here's some cornflake cereal. And here's some round cereal, cereals. And you know you gotta have some milk with cereal, okay? Gotta have milk. Cereal and milk. Good. Center. S, e, sen. Sen. T, ter. Sen, ter. Center. S, e, n, t, center. Okay? Now here's a circle. We got a black dot in the center of the circuit, and we're going to put an apple in the center of the circle. Okay? Circle. Okay? So center means in the middle. The apple is in the middle of the circle. The center of the circle. Good. CI becomes SI. Circus. S, sir, cuss, cuss, sir, cuss, circus, s, s, circus. Okay, you go to the circus and you see the elephants and the clowns at the circus. Okay, now in the word circus, the first S is next to an and it makes the S. It makes the S sound. The first C makes the S sound. S. Okay, and the second C is next to a U, so it's got to make the K sound. K. So, sir, k, us, cuss, circus. Good, good. Decide. D, E, D, S, I, side, side, decide, decide. D, E, S, I, D. E is silent. E makes no sound. Okay, now, over here. Okay, which dog do you want? Okay, you got to make a decision. You got to decide. Do you want this dog right here? No. Do you want that dog right there? No. You got to decide which one do you want. I don't want neither one. I want that. What is that? That. This here? You want this cat? Okay. You can have the cat. You decided that you want to have the cat. Good. You can have the cat. Okay? Now, and see this little girl right here? She got an apple and she got a hamburger. And she trying to decide which one she's going to eat first. She's like, I cannot decide. I don't know which one I want to eat first. I don't know if I want to eat the apple first or eat the hamburger first. Okay, now we're gonna have to help her out, right? Okay, look, listen. Okay, listen, young lady. Uh, Eat the hamburger, okay, and then have the apple for dessert. That's how you can decide. Oh, sounds like a good idea. Good, good decision. Good. Decide. Okay. Cigar. S, e, c, g, r, gar. Cigar. Cigar. S, e, g, r. Cigar. Cigar. City. S, e, c, sit, e, city, s, e, t, e, city. Okay, a city is opposite of a country. In the city, you got a lot of tall buildings. In the country, you got a lot of land. In the city, you got cars, but in the country, you got tractors. In the city, you got a lot of people. In the country, you got cows, you got hogs, and you got chickens. City is the opposite of country. Okay? Got city life, got country life. City. Good. Pencil. P. E. Pen. Pen. S. So. So. Pen. So. Pencil. P. E. N. S. Pencil. Here is a number 2 pencil. Okay? A pencil. Good. Good. CY becomes SY. Juice. J. Ooh. Juice. E. C. Juicy. Juicy. J. Ooh. S. E. Juicy. Okay. Over here we got some juicy orange juice. And down here we got some juicy apple juice. Okay? Good. Spicy. Sp. I. Spy. S. E. C. Spy. C. Spicy. Sp. I. S. E. Spicy. Over there we have some spicy peppers. Spicy red peppers. They are very hot peppers. They will burn your mouth. Don't eat them. Don't eat them. Okay? Good. Cycle. S. I. Sigh. K. Oh. Call. Sigh. Call. Cycle. S. I. K. Oh. Cycle. Okay, over here we have a unicycle. And the next one we have a bicycle. Now bicycle, the Y make the short I sound. Sickle. Bicycle. And over here we have a motorcycle. The Y motorcycle make the I sound, long I sound. I. Motorcycle. Okay? But the bicycle, the Y make the short I sound. Call. Sickle. Good. Got it? Remember that now, okay? Good. Cider. S. I. Side. Der. Cider. Cider. S. I. Cider. Okay, cider is like vinegar. Vinegar is cider. You make cider from fruits like oranges, apples, grapefruit, pear. This is an apple cider right here. Vinegar. Okay? Good. Icy. I. S. E. C. I see. I see. I S E. Icy. Okay, over here we got an icy road. You got to be very careful. That road is icy. Okay, and we have another icy road. See all the snow on the tree? The road is icy. You got to drive careful. Okay, and here's another icy road. See all the snows on the tree and everything? It's ice on the road. The road is very icy, so you have to drive careful. Okay, good.